Hello and welcome to the University of Haifa, now celebrating its 40th anniversary. The University of Haifa is the largest university in northern Israel, with over 18,000 students from all the different faiths and backgrounds. It is the most diverse educational institution in the country, creating an Israeli mosaic. And it's also home to 9 Israel Prize winners too. The university has recently decided to take upon itself a task of great national importance, establishing the Ronson Science Pavilion, a highly advanced research complex for returning scientists and outstanding scientists from Israeli research institutions, gathering some of the finest Israeli minds from leading universities worldwide and equipping them with the most up-to-date research technologies and facilities. The pavilion will serve as an incubator for groundbreaking research and theories, strengthening Israel's economy and security, and possibly even advancing humanity to the next level. I've arranged meetings with some of the scientists about to take part in the pavilion. Hello, Dr. Larish.
Hi, Bobby. ARTS is an essential protein for initiation of a process called cell death.
I'm so terribly sorry.
No, that's okay, because cell death is actually very important for the maintenance of a healthy body. You need cell death in order to protect the body from potentially dangerous and harmful cells. Many types of cancers lose ARTS and thereby escaping the ability to die and gaining the unlimited ability to live. And that's how we actually use our knowledge about ARTS to kill cancer cells.
And on a more personal note, Dr. Larish, what made you decide to return to Israel?
Well, because it's home. There's no feeling like home. At home, you can do your best. At home, you can contribute to something more than just yourself, but also a community. And I came back home to do my part in contributing.
And how will the pavilion contribute to that?
Well, the pavilion will provide this supportive environment for multidisciplinary research to go on, where researchers from different areas will be able to work together towards one goal, and that's developing new tools, new technologies for solving basic problems and finding new therapies for diseases.
Thank you very much. I shan't delay you any further. Goodbye. Hello, Dr. Scher.
Oh, hello, Bobby. Sorry.
What are you up to?
Part of what we're trying to do at the Department of Marine Biology at the University of חיפה, my colleagues and myself, is we want to understand how the ocean works, because we want to understand also how we can responsibly harvest it while maintaining it for future generations.
And is that part of the reason why you decided to return to Israel?
Yeah, well, it's part of the reason. The other part is Zionism. I was born in England. My family made Aliyah from South Africa. Being in Israel is an active decision, a conscious decision we made. And even when I was in the US at MIT doing research in one of probably the best research universities in the world, I always wanted to come back and to study the sea and to contribute back some of the scientific understanding that we have to people that we have over here in Israel.
And do you believe that the pavilion will assist in furthering your scientific efforts?
Well, we want to bring back the best young scientists, and scientists need lab space, we need technicians, we need equipment, and the pavilion is supposed to give us all of that.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Hi, Bobby.
So, this is where you live?
I live there. I was born in Dalat al-Carmel, in the Druze village. And this diverse spot gave me the inspiration to my research.
Which is?
I'm studying human genetics, population genetics, and actually focus in Druze genetics.
That's very specific.
Yes, actually this community is marrying one within the other. And this leads to a lot of genetics abnormalities, which could help to analyze and find new genes and new mutations. As myself a Druze, I witnessed this also in my relatives, and I wish to try to find out these genes and treat these abnormalities.
And how will your research promote that?
Well, actually, learning human genetics is the future in medicine. The more gene we discover, the more disease we can cure, and this could lead to help my community and also science in general.
So, why did you decide to join the pavilion?
I learned here in the university, and I was part of a team in the bioinformatics units, and these projects could help me go back to this scientific community.
I have heard that you have a special connection to today's events.
Yes, as a teen I learned at Gerland Ronson High School at Dalia Osfia, and this school gave me the experience and the inspiration for this future scientific field. And as my father was the principal of this school, I even met Mr. Ronson personally in my house.
Well, here's to you, sir. Well, dear friends, I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Future Pavilion. I believe we're standing on the verge of a historic moment, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to create a team of leading thinkers and visionaries who could strengthen Israel's future and ensure its survival through the political and ecological changes yet to come. Moreover, this project may be a global source of groundbreaking knowledge and discoveries that could literally change the world we live in. It's up to us.